कैसे हो आप सभी लोग? आई होप सब अच्छे होंगे। सो as of now you already know me as I was only uploading video lectures of the topic of mathematics on various topics at plus 2 level. तो आपको पता होगा कि I have already covered matrix and determinant, I have covered vectors in 3D geometry and I am on the verge of completing binomial theorem. ठीक है, तो वो जो सारे टॉपिक्स मैंने कवर कर रखे थे वो एज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वीडियो लेक्चर्स कवर कर रखे थे। ओनली इन द टॉपिक ऑफ बाइनोमियल थ्योरम आई एम ओनली लेफ्ट विद अपलोडिंग द लेक्चर कंटेंट्स ऑन द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस। तो अभी तक आपको पता चल चुका होगा कि आई एम ऑलरेडी अपलोडिंग वीडियो लेक्चर्स इन वेरी सिस्टमेटिक फॉर्मेट, बट द रिस्पॉन्सेज वेर नॉट वेरी गुड एज आई एक्सपेक्टेड, बट कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। तो in order to help the learners at the plus 2 level, I'm coming up with this idea of uploading my handwritten notes, all right, on the subject of physics, chemistry as well as mathematics. So I'm starting with the handwritten notes on the topic of kinematics, which is the very first or the very initial chapters of physics. So any learner who is in class 11 as well as class 12 who is basically trying to revise this chapter of kinematics as well as preparing the chapter of kinematics for the first time, this notes is going to be very beneficial for all of you. ऑलराइट, सो जैसे कि मैंने वीडियो लेक्चर्स अपलोड कर रहे थे और उसके साथ साथ आई विल बी नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स अपलोडिंग माय हैंड रिटन नोट्स ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स। ऑलराइट, नाउ दिस हैंड रिटन नोट्स विल प्ले अ वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल रोल इन योर प्रिपरेशन। Okay, so let us know why we need the handwritten notes. So you must be knowing that whenever we are learning any particular topic for the first time, it is very important to write and understand, because handwritten notes basically improves your retention power, it reduces distraction, it enhances your memory power, it enhances your note taking flexibility as well as creative expressions. It also increases your or reduces the technology dependency, because you are rather taking the notes on your hand and you are able to remember it for a long time. Similarly, you get a better personalization and uniqueness, better comprehension, accessibility, and multisensory experience. So there are a lot of benefits of having a handwritten notes. So now onwards, you can understand that you don't have to take the pain of having your own handwritten notes. I will be giving you the handwritten notes which is made by me, which covers everything, not even a single thing is left unturned. Okay, so it covers all the important details, everything in very detail, and that particular notes is that's why I'm basically currently studying at IIT. Alright, so with these notes you can definitely clear your JEE entrance examination as well as any form of examination if you prepare these handwritten notes. So why will you and also how short notes basically help me crack JEE mains and JEE advanced as well as my class 12 board examination. So you know that once after your syllabus is completed, so your syllabus is very vast. So you know this particular fact, that your syllabus is very vast, okay, or very big. So in order to cover the particular syllabus in a very effective manner, you just have to have short notes. So in order to cover this particular syllabus in an effective manner, you need to have short notes. Now these particular short notes will include all the formula, short tricks, all the formulae, short tricks to solve difficult problems. Okay, now you don't need to have take the pain of doing this particular short notes, because I will be uploading chapter wise short notes on each and every topic of physics, chemistry as well as mathematics, along with the handwritten notes which is in basically in depth. So what I will be uploading now in I will be uploading handwritten notes plus short notes. Okay, short notes. Now, to very specific and focus on this particular topic, how short notes help me crack, you can understand once and only after your entire syllabus is completed, what is the most important thing that you will feel is that is revision, and effective revision is the most important thing, because not every time you are going to go back to your handwritten notes and understand everything. You just have to go quickly through all the formulas and the short tricks. So for that particular purpose, your short notes will play a very very important or a crucial role. Alright, so this particular, I think that the short notes was the only thing that basically helped me in my revision as well as in the last time of my JEE advanced examination. And I am very thankful to these short notes which I prepared along from my help of my mentors at that particular time. Now onwards, I will be uploading my short notes which help me crack this particular difficult examination, as well also get a good rank in and secure my seat at IIT. Alright, why will you get these particular notes? So I have systematically uploaded this particular notes on the Google Drive. So I will be sharing with you a Google Drive link. Now the procedure for getting this particular Google Drive link will be instructed in the later PPT. So I have uploaded the contents on kinematics. So it includes kinematics short notes, the kinematics 1D motion, the kinematics 2D motion, kinematics circular motion, as well as the concept of relative motion. So you can see there are 5 total PDFs including, okay. So there are 5 PDFs which are present in this particular folder of kinematics. Okay, so if you take this particular drive link, you will get a folder named as kinematics, and in this particular folder you will have 5 PDF files, and in that 5 PDF files you will have all the things, that is the handwritten notes of different particular topics, as well as the short notes which help me in my JEE revision. So this particular topic will obviously help you in your revision. So this particular thing, that is short notes, will help very much in your revision. Okay, so I hope this particular drive link was idea was clear. All right, so if you know now, why will you buy these particular notes? So in order to get access to this particular note, you just have to purchase this particular notes. Now why will you purchase this particular notes? Now since I have in my short notes I've covered all the shortcut methods for problem solving, which will be very essential and crucial for your JEE revision. All right, so whenever you are revising any particular topic of your JEE mains, you will be feeling the importance of short notes, because what I feel, once after you complete the entire syllabus of JEE class 12 as well as class 11, the important thing is to remember all the important formulas at one particular place. Now for this particular purpose, this particular short notes will play a very important role. Also, you will find important formulas as well as in the short for quick revisions. So these are the very important chunks of this particular short notes. As well as in my handwritten notes, you will see that there are a lot of solved examples. Now these particular solved examples are taken from the previous year JEE Advanced and JEE Mains questions, as well as from subjective problems of difficult approaches. Okay, now these problems are not very difficult, but these problems are very conceptual. So you can feel that in my handwritten notes, I have explained the concepts, I have explained formulas, I have explained derivations, I have explained the solved example. Also, I have given graphical explanation wherever it is possible. So in order to, if you purchase these particular notes, you will get benefit to all of these particular contents. Alright, now how will you get access to this particular drive link and download them? Now you have to follow the three steps. The very first step, you just have to email me from your Google account on this particular email account. Okay, so just put an email on this particular Google account from your Google account through which you want to access that particular drive link. Alright, now in that particular email, you need to mention me about the screenshot of your payment, of which is I'm pricing this particular notes at rupees 75. I know this 75 is not a very big amount, because if you go for a snacks or anything, you just spend about rupees 100 on this particular thing, but you can definitely spend like rupees 75 for this particular notes. I hope this particular amount is very small, and for the students of class 11th and 12th, it is basically favorable only. Okay, as well as you can get a lot of benefits by studying and downloading these particular notes. All right, so now after you are done with the email, after I receive the particular email from your Google account with the payment of rupees 75, the screenshot, then I will give you the access of the drive link to the same email account through which you basically mail me. Now soon after, you will basically get the access to the PDF after I give you the mail, after I give you a confirmation mail. Now for doing so, you will find my UPI ID, which is basically given over here. So you can find my UPI ID over here, and after you are making the payment, just send me a screenshot from your email account, and after you are done with the email account, the email, I will basically give you the drive link access, and after that you can access this PDF and study at your own. Okay, so that was all of it. Thank you.